Alright, we're asked to simplify this binomial squared. So you can use the formula, or you could write out what the real meaning is, which is 2 square roots of 3 plus 3 root 5 times 2 square roots of 3 plus 3 root 5. There's two ways you could do this. And again, we're just going to do the first, outer, inner, last. So for the first, and I'm going to just write down what it looks like here. If you're multiplying the first, you're multiplying these two together. That's the first. And that's the last, right? And then here's the inner. And there's the outer product. Kind of looks like a face. Do you see it? The forehead, the smile, and the chin. So when I do 2 square roots of 3 times 2 square roots of 3, I'm just going to write this answer up here. That's going to be 2 times 2, which is 4. And then the square root of 3 times square root of 3 is 3. Now, when you do 3 square roots of 5 times 3 square roots of 5, the 3 times 3 is 9, and square root of 5 times square root of 5 is the 5. So I'm doing this because it's a little bit faster to write it this way, although that's fine. You don't need to write a smiley face. But notice that'll be your first term and your last term. Those are going to be the rational parts. You're going to end up adding 12 plus 45. Okay? Now, what about this inner term? You have 3 times 2, which is 6. And then square root of 5 times square root of 3 is square root of 15. And then this outer term, 2 times 3 is 6. And square root of 3 times square root of 5 is also square root of 15. Remember, when you're squaring a binomial, the inner and outer term will be the same. So what I like about this method is I can see the 12 plus 45, and I could do that over here. What's 12 plus 45? So the answer is going to be 57 plus, and then I add these two terms, 6 square roots of 15 plus 6 square roots of 15 is 12 square roots of 15. So that's one way of showing the FOIL method. You could do it like this, or you could just write it out. 4 times 3 plus 6 root 5 plus 6 root 5 plus 9 times 5. At the next step, you could write your 12 and your 45 here, and then finally add like terms. You should get exactly the same answer.